Morning, one and all. How's everyone doing? I hope very well. It's just the start of my vacation. Right now I'm just setting the trip meter, or clearing it really. Trip meter A. Alright. Looking at a long trip, so let's see how many miles I'm gonna do. Should be fun though. Oil is good. Alright, gotta buckle up for safety. I don't know how much filming I'll get done on the road, but we shall see. Right now I'm gonna stop for cash, then I'm gonna stop for food, and then I'm gonna hit the road. I already filled up gas last night, so let's get to it. And on we go. Get the rear view blocking my view. I've actually seen some camera mounts that actually have like a rotating arm. They look pretty cool, but a little bit of money, but hey, it would be kind of nice. Alright, I'm gonna focus on driving, so I'll catch up with you later. Stopped at the Summit Inn Pancake House, had a little breakfast. It's very foggy and hazy today. Normally you can see the mountains, but they're all covered. It's a breakfast place. Really good food. Time to hit the road though. I have no other plans to stop, so oh yeah. Brought a little OJ from home. Just Alright. Let's get to it. Well, just made my first pit stop. I haven't even gotten out of the state yet, so it's been about over 2 hours since I've been on the road. Good times. Well, I've driven a mile or two. How many to be exact? 401 miles. I had to stop and make a nature break, so I was gonna get a big sign in Montana as I was coming into Montana, but it was hanging right over the freeway. No chance getting a photograph. Too bad. The trip continues. So I pulled over at a random rest stop. Excuse me. I was unsure of the directions because my phone service, there's no service for my phone. So I was really wondering if I overshot. It turned out I had much more to travel, so better to keep going, stop and keep going, than I think stop, find out you have to go all the way back. So there's this little rest area here, right off the side of the road. Bathrooms, which I didn't need. They had a map right there on the wall, so that was very handy and convenient. So let's get back on the road. visions. They can be going along and suddenly it's another 45 zone. Insanity. Well, 558 miles later, finally arrived. I would have turned the camera on right when I stopped, but I got out of the car and I heard, hey, we made burgers, and yeah, I don't think I have to explain. So, it's probably gonna be it for day one. Long driving. So, good times though. It's actually really pretty out here. So stay tuned for more goings on.